Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to walk you through this LeiaPix tutorial on how to turn any picture into a video animation using this AI for free. Now with LeiaPix.com you are able to bring your images to life. You can turn 2D images into captivating 3D animation using this AI tool called the LeiaPix AI. You can dive into the extraordinary with the LeiaPix, where your everyday 2D images transforms into breathtaking 3D masterpiece right here. So guys, all you want to simply do is to try out the LeiaPix for free, and once you simply do that, it's going to take us right onto this page. So once you're right here on this page, you want to simply drag and drop an image here to start. So right here guys, what I'm going to do is to simply just drag an image right here. As you can see, the depth animation is being created, and this may take a few seconds. Right here guys, so this is the video right now. Right here guys, on the depth map, you are able to add your depth map to your video right there. You have the lens right there, but I'm just going to discuss this right here. You go onto the animation style, we have this perspective. Now you can easily just apply the white circle right here, or simply make use of the horizontal, the tall circle right here, but I just prefer using this perspective right here. That is it for the animation style. You go onto the length right there. You can easily make this faster, but it's preferable you leave it at the medium right. It's preferable you leave it at the middle right here, so that it's neither short neither is long right there at the animation length. Then you go onto the amount of motion. You also have the focus point, the edge dilation, the advanced editor right there. So guys, once you simply just edit any of this right there, all you want to simply do right now is to simply just go into the full screen. So this is how your video actually looks like right there. So guys, you have been able to turn that image into an animation video right here. You simply go onto the export button, and you can export this right into your device, but it's going to have a watermarking right here, and it is for no commercial use. So that is the cons about using the free plan. But once you simply just upgrade right here, and you're able to buy more credits to activate the commercial use, now you can easily just export this right here. And you can also share this right here, getting ready to share. Now you can share this right here as a link, as a document. So you can also share this right here. You can share your products with others. Anyone with a link can view and edit a copy of your product. So you can share to Facebook, Twitter, email, and even copy the link right there and share to your friends right there. But guys, this is how you are able to turn your images right here to life using this AI tool called the LeiaPix.